welcome back. It's been a while, but I'm back to show you how I make these Melody nails. So I did my usual prep with like my cuticles and my nails, and here I'm just drying it out with some acetone so I can start putting my base coat on. I'm doing Melody because it's Melody's birthday this month and she's the cutest. I haven't done my nails in so long, so I'm kind of like rusty, but it's fine. I put a base coat on and cured that, and now I'm doing that like gel technique. I'm putting gel on the inside of my tip. They are etched on the inside. Just make sure if you're using tips that don't have like the etching on the inside, just like go with the drill or something so that it like stays on. I'll leave everything that I'm using down below because I forgot to show what tips I use. But yeah, I just do that and I cure it and then it's on. I just go and file the top and like buff it out. You can use a nail drill. I just like to use my file because I can be more like precise. I don't know the way like I can actually get everything. I just buff it out basically, and then I put another base coat on and cure that. Now going in with this polygel, I'm gonna be doing 3 of my nails with this color. It's like a clear pink, and yeah, I just spread it all over. I'm putting on my pinky, index, and thumb. I'm just gonna show 2 of the nails because it's basically the same thing every time, and just to save you a little bit of your own time, I'm just gonna show you these 2. But yeah, I put a little on and then I just spread it out until it's smooth. Like I said, I haven't done my nails in forever, so like I was taking my time. The reason I've been gone for so long is because I went to the UK. It was so fun. I was gonna make a video of me being there, but that just never happened. Like I hate recording myself doing things other than these nails. I don't know. Now into my next finger, my ring and middle are gonna have this sparkly gel, and then I'm putting these little flowers I got from probably Joann, some craft store I got these from for like a different thing I was doing, but I just kind of put them in there into the gel, and yeah, I just put it around. These ones were difficult because the glitter is just craft glitter, so it's kind of chunky and like wouldn't sit down or like shape to the nails, so these nails are a bit chunky, but that's fine. They're still cute. Like I said before, I'm gonna do the rest off camera, so I'm just gonna show my filing now for the 2 nails. I am just using my file. It's way faster with the e-file, but I just don't feel like I have that much control when I use a file, and I got them pretty smooth already, so it didn't take as long. I just kind of smooth out the top and especially the sides, because if you put too much gel on the sides, it can build up and start looking really chunky and you lose like the shape of the nail. Here I need to add more to the tip, and that's basically it. I just file and then add more if I need it. And then I'm going to go in with my nail file because I'm actually good at the next part, which is going around my cuticles. I use this cuticle bit. They do have like ones that are more pointed, but I'm just really comfortable with this one. It doesn't really get in there like too, well, it gets in there good, but not like as good as like other tips might. It's still my favorite part. I love going around my cuticles. Now that those are all done, I'm going in with some gel polish. I already did my thumb off camera because it was making me really mad. But, yeah, I'm just going in and doing a French tip. My nail art skills also kind of rusty, but I think I did pretty good on these. I'm just building my smile line and then I go in to fill the tip. I definitely recommend using brushes that have like longer bristles because every time I use the smaller bristles, I feel like I'm just more focused on like making it perfect and then I just ruin it because I'm like, I don't know, it just like makes it harder for some reason, which you would think that it'd make it easier, but the long ones just like flow so nice, especially when you're doing a French tip. Also, back to me being gone. If anyone would like to listen to like my experience or you just want to know like a little bit about like the UK, I don't know everything, but I just had so much fun and I love talking about it and like showing pictures. So if anybody's interested in that, I might make a video. It kind of doesn't go with like the theme of my channel, but I've also been thinking of like vlogs and stuff. I'm just doing so much right now that I just want to like share everything with everyone. So if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing more of, just like me in real life, just doing what I do, let me know in the comments. That'd be fun. And now I'm done with the French tips. I did 2 coats on each because the color was kind of like opaque. Well, not really. Like, it was streaky because I wasn't really packing it on. But anyways, I wiped it all with rubbing alcohol so it's not super sticky. And then going in with my file to file the sides. Because like I said before, it like, once it builds up, you lose your shape. I probably should have filed them better before I did the polish, but it's whatever. If I file off some of the polish, I just go back in with like a little brush and fill it in and then cure it again, and it usually looks fine. For my thumb, I'm adding this cute little charm with just some nail glue. I'm putting stickers on my other nails. That's pretty much it for the design. Super like simple and cute, and I just love it. I just miss doing this. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody had a good start to their new year, and I'll see you guys hopefully soon. I probably won't be posting every week because I just want to enjoy having my nails for now. So maybe I'll come back with some press-ons or something. I don't know. Once again, hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.